Welcome to a deep dive on data using AskPrisma. Today we have an interesting data set. I've got this publicly available data set slightly obfuscated for orders from Amazon store for the month of January. It has all the granular details possible with regards to orders, customers, products, product name, category. It also has whether a coupon was applied, the kind of payment method, and net profit. Right? Let's see. We can do something interesting with this data. So we'll start with asking and adding a prompt. Please help me visualize this data. Find maybe just doing a do a quick customer segmentation for this data and also help figure out which factors lead, can lead to better net profit for next month. And then we'll choose the file and we'll say AskPrisma now. Like always, AskPrisma will actually upload this file in a Docker container and then start the Docker container. One of the first things AskPrisma will end up doing is try and explore this data, help figure out what is this data about, the industry it is from, kind of columns we have, the granularity of the data. Essentially, it'll do a quick lookup on the, all the columns that are available, what are those columns for, and what kind of data we can actually visualize from this. Also, it will come up with a good plan. Let's see what it's come up with. So it's figured out what this data is about. So it has all the transactions, unique customers, profit, cost, perfect. Based on the category, here's a quick plan. I'll just say please go ahead, and then I'll quickly look at the plan as well. So we'll do a quick data preparation upfront, parse all the date columns, do a trend visualization. Next up, it'll do some kind of category visualizations. This one is really interesting. It's trying to do some kind of RFM analysis. Along with that, it'll also do and try k-mean clustering, figure out which ones segmentation is working better for this data. And then it's also doing a final analysis around profit driver, some kind of correlation with respect to data. Let's see. So it's created like what we typically do, some kind of an intermediate file, which is largely like a cleaned up version of the original data set. It's already started churning up charts for visualization. Let me see. Okay, net profit, category based profit, bottoms activewear have been the best. Subcategory based, okay, jeans, leggings. This looks good. Also, if you notice, it has this prismatic breakdown. That is where it actually keeps on synthesizing the insights from the data. So it's looked at daily net profit fluctuation, transaction level net profit skewed, makes sense. Mhm. Looking at by category. Next up, it's started some kind of RFM segmentation. It's already done RFM segmentation here. So here it's already created a little bit of a computed columns around reach, frequency. It's done a little bit of clustering as well. What it's trying and doing now is, see, it's done a k-means clustering on the entire customer group segment. Now it's trying and doing a side-by-side comparison of which one is kind of better. If you notice here, segmentation comparison highlights that while RFM Enterprise 125 granular segments, top RFM segments, this, K-means offers four clear actionable clusters identifying your most valuable repeat buyers. Cluster 2, cluster high value one-time buyer. So largely it's recommending that you use the K-means clustering in this case. It's done a very interesting profit driver analysis as well. Mhm. So it's come up with insights already. Product drivers, one day shipping, customer segmentation, release this. Actionable recommendations, prioritize retention campaigns for cluster 2, target cluster 1 with high value, one time users with cross sell offers on complementary high margin products, optimize shipping options by promoting one day delivery upsells, reduce blanket coupon usage, deploy selective tiered discounts for underperforming segments, leverage gift card promotions. Can you please help me with a slide presentation with these insights? So within like 5 or 6 minute window, we've actually have got a very strong understanding of this data and what's driving net profit. Interesting. So slide presentation is ready as well. Let's expand this a bit. So if you notice, it's already figured out what kind of data set this is. This is Amazon sales data. We didn't mention this as part of our initial prompt. It's come up with a quick performance overview, daily net profit, profit distribution, profit by category. It's recommended the clusters, and then when it comes to profit drivers, net profit mostly strongly tracks with subtotal and unit price positively and is negatively affected by product cost and coupon amount. These are all ones which are on net profit. And then strategic recommendation, retain cluster 2 with loyalty offers on top categories, bottom streams. Interesting. Deactivate cluster 1 with personalized cross sell and upsell offers. Promote one day shipping and gift card payments for margin boost. Reduce blanket couponing. Deploy strategic discounts by segment and product. Phase out unprofitable segments and double down on clear winners. Amazing. This is really insightful. Thanks a lot for joining in. Have a great day.